Meaning of gratifying.
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 Gratifying. Gratifying refers to something that gives a sense of satisfaction or pleasure, usually because it fulfills a desire or meets a goal. It is a positive feeling that arises from achieving something you worked hard for, receiving recognition for your efforts, or experiencing a positive outcome from a situation. For example, receiving an award for a project you've been working on for months can be described as gratifying because it acknowledges the effort and dedication you put into it. Similarly, receiving positive feedback from customers about a product can be gratifying for a business because it shows that their efforts to create a quality item have paid off. Overall, gratifying experiences leave individuals feeling fulfilled, content, and proud of their achievements.